Welcome to Bird Paradise. Over here we have 8 large box aviaries, each representing a different habitat from around the world. To help you enjoy your stay, we have some aviary do's and don'ts. So keep at least 1 meter away from the birds and don't chase or corner the birds. Don't touch the birds. If they land on you, let them hop off at the nearest railing. If you need any assistance, then call up and your barkeeper. So early morning and late afternoon are the best time to take photos of our birds. Do not place the camera or phone too close to our birds, and always keep a safe distance when taking photographs. Keep your shiny objects such as your jewelry, keys, and coins. Don't see our birds with your food. Join our official feeding program instead. We hope that this has been helpful for you to enjoy a greater appreciation for the wonderful wildlife around us. Have a great day ahead at Bird Paradise. See you around!